Garmin Express is an application designed to manage Garmin devices. It is used for device registration, map updates, software updates, syncing fitness data with Garmin Connect, and much more. System requirements. To install Garmin Express, you need Windows 7 SP1 or newer operating system, and may require up to 20 GB free disk space. Install. 1. Go to the Garmin Express webpage. 2. Click Download for Windows. 3. Run the downloaded file. 4. Review the terms and conditions, then click the checkbox. 5. If necessary, click Options to change the install location of Garmin Express. 6. Click Install. 7. Once the installation is complete, click Launch Garmin Express. Now Garmin Express is installed and can be used for compatible Garmin devices. That's it. Thanks for watching.